Can't hear WhatsApp voice messages. Try this fix. Let's start with Force Closing app. For this, in the chat screen of WhatsApp, swipe up from the bottom to close the app. After that, in the home screen, swipe up again. Swipe up the app tab to remove it from recent tabs. Now try to hear the voice message. If it is not working, then try. Change volume level. For this, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Here, look for the vertical volume bar. Now, swipe up to increase the volume level. Next, open the app and listen to the voice message. If this step does not work, then try. Changes in screen time settings. Go to the Settings app on your device. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll to the Restrictions section, then click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, under the Allow Changes To section, look for the Speaker Volume Limit option, then click on it. After that, change the option to Allow. If this method does not work, then try Force Restart. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting the device, open the WhatsApp and try to hear the voice message. If it is not working, then try. Contact Apple Store. It could be a hardware issue. Visit an authorized Apple Store for assistance.